So it's been brought to my attention by ways of what I seen a neighbor go through recently, and it's kind of unnerving, but the situation, which I knew was a problem, actually exists way more and way more deep than I ever assumed. Issues within child protective services. I mean, I know y'all heard about it, we've heard horror stories, but we kind of tend to just turn a blind eye to the innocent people, the innocent kids, because we know that there are a lot of abusive people that deserve what they deserve. That's how their kids taken. But we tend to forget that there are a lot of people suffering without their kids for no reason. None whatsoever. And if anybody should know that, it's a neighbor. Now, I'm not saying I know what happens behind closed doors. I don't. But I can say, I'm not speaking upon the people that actually do neglect and abuse their kids. I'm speaking for in behalf of the ones that don't. There's no such thing as a perfect judicial system. I know that, you know that, we all know that. But this shit gotta stop. And unfortunately, these representatives that have made Congress and elected officials to represent the state of California, they didn't quite understand what they're doing, and they don't know that what they're doing is not their power. It ain't even the Supreme Court's power, actually. It's my power, it's my neighbor's power, and it's powers of a parent to enforce their own rules and their own policies. And if they want to write something, and if they want to hold to what our rights are, you want to make the amendment, you want to just write constitutional law, fine. Then let me abide by that, and I'm going to practice that, and I'm going to hold it 100% firm. What I'm going to hopefully, what my neighbor and I are going to do tomorrow, and I'm hoping on behalf of my community members, I'm hoping on behalf of other parents, I'm hoping on behalf of even the creators of their little codes and ethics laws, that they can see, you know what? She's right, they're right, and they deserve their property returned. I want to thank Carl Lentz and Richard Cornforth, not sure, sorry, to help and guide me to what might not be a positive outcome tomorrow. Keep you posted, but what will hopefully be fire under our motherfucking asses to hold these writers that made these amendments and made this constitution, hold them to what they wrote. You want me to abide by this? You want me to stand firm on this? Let's stand firm. Give me my property back. We ain't talking about nothing else. I'm hoping that, I'm praying that this outcome will be nothing more than satisfactory, and then we can come forth with maybe possible other remedies, Baby's missing his mama. She's missing him. His daddy's missing him. They're sick. But just want to thank specifically, of course, other people, other authors, other people that have guided me by ways of whether it be internet or just listening, readings, findings. I want to just thank anybody and everybody for lighting our asses, lighting that fire to fight and get these babies back, because this is not okay. And if we don't stand up, then ain't nobody gonna stand up. Power to the people. Thank you. Keep it posted.